Okay, so we're going to start with graphing inequalities, making sure that we understand when we get an answer what it would look like on a graph. So let's talk about inequalities first. This is the less than sign, and the meaning is less than, and the word phrases that you might see are fewer than or below. This is the greater than sign, greater than. You might see more than or above. And then this is less than or equal to, less than or equal to. And that you would see that as at most, no more than. And then this is greater than or equal to, at least, no less than. And these have the little signs underneath them. I don't know if you can see that real good, but we'll get an opportunity to see problems like that. So if the symbol is less than or greater than equal to, less than equal to, then you fill in the dot because it includes that number. Like the top examples on the graph below. If the symbol is greater than or less than, then you do not fill in the dot. And you do not fill in the dot like you're not going to fill in the dot on these. So let's fill in the dot first. So this says x is greater than or equal to negative 9. Well, we know it could be equal to negative 9. Now, let's do numbers that would make that true. Let's say negative 6 is greater than negative 9. Or 1. How about 1? We know any positive number is greater than 9. Well, where is that on the number line? It would be this direction. So that would be how we would represent this solution. We would say it could be 9 or any number greater than 9. Now this one is n is greater than 2.5. So it's not 2.5, so it's an open dot, and it's greater than 2.5. What are some numbers greater than 2.5? 3.5, 4.5. So those would go this way. And then we've got x is, negative 4 halves and 1 half is greater than x. So numbers that are less than negative 4.5 would be like negative 5.5, negative 6.5. Well, we would want to specify negative 4.5, and then it would go this way to show numbers that were less than this. Solution says that we're less than this. So that gives you an idea of how to graph these inequalities on a number line.